if parents wants to build the skill of being a storyteller, how can they do that? And not just even parents. And if children wants to be a storyteller, how can they actually be build that skill in themselves? If you could share some light on that.
See, storytelling happens at different levels. Okay. So you have a natural storyteller who tells a natural story, and that's very, very good. Now, many natural storytellers, because Natya Shastra is in our DNA. We all, whether we learned classical dancing, Kathak or Kathakali, or Bharatanatyam, or Chow, whatever it may be, we even if you didn't learn it, you have that we have that in our genes. So many of us in India, we use our hands and we use our body to speak. Okay. So we use a mudra, we use our hands to signify yeah, who's coming here. I do this very naturally. I say who. And the hand shows what I am asking. Okay. So that is one very natural way in which parents can do. They don't have to feel hesitant. They don't have to feel like they have to go and learn somewhere. No, not at all. I think they can do it. As they do it, they will learn themselves how they can do it a little better. From seeing their child and seeing how the child is interacting with the story and with the telling, they will themselves learn. So I don't think that, you should say that, there has to be a special craft for telling the story and you have to go and learn it. You have to get a certificate on telling a story. No, that's not needed. But sometimes, because of, life itself, and we are also busy and we're doing this and we're doing that. And some parents do come and tell me,
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे पॉडकास्ट चैनल पेरेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ये हमें मोटिवेट करता है, हम चैनल पे और गेस्ट को लाएँ। ये एक ईज़ी टास्क नहीं होता है, हमें टाइम लगता है गेस्ट से पार्टनरशिप्स करने में, उनके साथ ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करने में कि हम कैसे एक पेरेंट की मदद कर सकते हैं, हम पेरेंट को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, उनकी जर्नी के साथी बन सकते हैं। बट अगर आप हमारा साथ देते रहेंगे, तो हम भी मोटिवेटेड रहेंगे, एनकरेज्ड रहेंगे कि हमें अलग-अलग तरीके का कंटेंट पेरेंटिंग पे, चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट पे, स्कूलिंग पे लाना है और सब पेरेंट्स की यहाँ पे फिर सब पेरेंट्स को यहाँ पे सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करना है और उनके लिए इस पेरेंटिंग जर्नी को ईज़ी बनाना है।
because of life itself, and we are also busy and we're doing this and we're doing that. And some parents do come and tell me, pata nahi, but we cannot tell a story properly. I don't have any stories in my mind. And then I think it is going back to your childhood, because you've got to have order. You have to have content to tell a story. That content comes from the parents' childhood itself. Okay. So there is the external thing of, what I was saying about, Abhinaya, for instance, when I'm talking, when I'm using my hands, my face, my eyes, when I'm talking. So that is one. That's the external way of capturing the attention of the child. The internal is, what story am I telling to them? When that comes from my experience, my mother's experience, my grandparents' experience, then it is endowed with that interest, with that sense of curiosity. Papa ne kya kiya? Kya kiya? Okay. So I'm making up a story. It may not be a real story. I remember an uncle of mine used to tell, he told me a story when I was maybe 5 or 6. I'm suddenly remembering it now. He said he went into the forest in a jeep, and when he was a forest ranger, and he went into the forest in a jeep, and a big came, and there were four of them. They all got down. They lifted the jeep. They turned it around, and they drove away. That colored my imagination for such a long time. It took me a long time to say, four people carried a jeep and they turned it around and then they ran away from a elephant which is charging away. Come on, yeah, this is not possible. But the thing is, when you're a child, a story like this, which happened to your grandfather, and so adventure, mystery, these things, excite a child. So when I make a story into that kind of a thing, humor excites a child. So you can, actually tickle a child and say, I'm tickling you, but you can tell a story which makes him laugh. Okay. So these are all some of the tools that we use when, as a storyteller, it's not just the external. It's not just my vak abhinaya, what I use my voice for. but it is the content. And that content can come from my family. It can come from my grandparents. It can come from my parents. So I would say, talk to your parents and say, आपका बचपन में आपने क्या सुना? What will you tell me? What is the story that you remember most? And then telling it in a present context to my child.
That would be huge. Thank you for sharing these like small, crisp steps to be a storyteller or as a starter steps or being a storyteller, where you're choosing a content, connecting with a family life, and then moving on. It's not a special craft which you need train on, like practice and the right content and right connection. Absolute.